Hey all you BlackBerry users, Todd here from niceblackberry.com. Today I'm going to demo Simplicity Hidden Today Plus on my BlackBerry 9700/Bold 2. This is a new build for the 9700, just released, but it is available also for the 9632er, the 9000 Bold, the 8900, 8520, 8530, as well as the 8350. So let's go through and show you what this looks like on the 9700 series. So up top you'll see everything's cleaned up. You've got over here you've got your battery indicator, alarm clock, and then Bluetooth below that, or next to that. Below that you've got all your icons for any missed calls, emails, Facebooks, text messages, whatever, they'll all show there. You've got the clock, you've got the date, you've got your carrier over here, Wi-Fi, and then obviously your signal strength. Everything's lined up good here. If you'll notice, as this is as the phone's thinking back and forth with the network, it doesn't cover up any of the bars of service, so everything's lined up well. Come down here to your first set of icons, and what you've got is profiles, call log, calendar, messages. These all highlight when you these all highlight blue as you hover over top, as you can see with the profiles icon. In the middle is where you're going to have your Hidden Today Plus area, and then you've got 6 icons on the bottom which are user configured. So 10 total icons plus your Hidden Today preview. As I said, as you hover over top of any of these, it will go ahead and give you your preview. It also down here gives you like sounds. It shows you you're on normal. If I go ahead and hit the Q, change it to vibrate, and then if I flip over and go back, it says sounds vibrate only. So that's how that works. Hidden Today Plus, call log activates it. Hover over top of the call log, it'll show you your 3, well, it'll show you up to 5 missed calls. I have 3, and then if you hover over top of any of these individual calls and click the trackpad, brings up your menu where you basically can go ahead and call back an SMS, MMS. If you have them in your address book with an email, you can email them back. All from the home screen. So that's how that works. Calendar entries shows you all your calendar entries, up to 5 calendar entries on those. Messages shows you up to 5 new incoming unread messages, and as you can see, you can scroll down and hover over top of the individual messages, and if I go down, if I grab this message here, top one, 12:27 p.m., and I'll zoom out for identity purposes, but go ahead and click that. It'll take you into this message where you can read it, review it, reply to it, whatever you'd like to do there. Go back, and obviously then it falls out of line and it brings up your next one. Calendar entries, this is my daily device, so I'm not going to get into it. I've got personal entries in there, but if you highlight your calendar entries and you go ahead and open those up, it'll show you. Actually, let me go down. I'll show you this one. There you go. So basically, open up the calendar entries, much the same, and you can change anything. Hit menu, save, go back to the home screen. It takes a few minutes for it to sync up, but it'll sync up there on the home screen. So to go from top to bottom dock, if you are on the profiles icon, it'll just take you down to that. If you are on mail icon and you have messages, scroll down through. Once you hit the last message, it'll dump you down to the bottom dock where you can go ahead and highlight or hover over top to enter any of these. Bottom 6 are user configured, so change those out any way you want. I can take media, move it, and go over here, throw it in slot 1, go back to the home screen, and there you go, media is there. So that's how that works. This theme is wallpaper friendly. OS 5.0, they changed it up a little. So go into your full menu, and then go into hit menu again, go down to options, and then you'll scroll down and you'll see the set wallpaper. Click change wallpaper. Then find the wallpaper you want. We will grab this one right here. Click on it. It opens. Go down menu, set as wallpaper, and now the wallpaper should be on the home screen like so. As you can see, wallpaper friendly, and everything still shows up very well. I mean, this is a very blue wallpaper, but you can still see all the verbiage, all the words. The yellow just stands out great on all sorts of different wallpapers, be it light or dark. So that's how that works. The wallpaper will follow through to the lock screen as well. So anything you put on the desktop, so to speak, follows through the lock screen. I've had questions as far as any lag. Let me show you guys. This phone, again, is my daily device. I do use it. So if I go into my downloads folder, I'm going to show you guys. Basically, I have tons of apps that are working on here. As I scroll down through, you'll see. You'll see all of these. So I do have a lot of various apps on here. I do use it. Device memory is pretty full, and as you can see, there is really no lag. So as I go down the list, there really is no lag with this theme whatsoever. I mean, it's just as snappy as possible, even with all these apps and with device memory, obviously, that's getting used up with all the apps. So as you go down through, I mean, as I said, you can see I have a bunch on here. Bunch of third parties. So there's what my downloads folder looks like. It's full of apps, and as I said, going back through all of these, it's just as snappy as possible. There really is no lag between any of the screens or any of the functions here. So that's it. Simplicity. Hidden Today Plus. You can see this theme and all my other great themes at niceblackberry.com. This theme's available for the 9700, 9630, 8900, 9000, 8520, 8530, and the 8350. Thanks for watching niceblackberry.com. You can buy this theme, see the demo video, look at all my other great themes, high-res screenshots, and so on down the line. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys again soon.